And hello everybody, welcome back to episode number 212 of the CheckX series. If you're new here, as I say every single day, the CheckX series is pretty much all about me, your host, Ivan, discussing absolutely everything Leon said yesterday on X or Twitter, whatever you want to call it, of course, the day before. Then we'll discuss what he talked about yesterday on Thursday, July 16th, 2026. He posted just around 25 times yesterday. We're going to get right into the episode here, not to keep your guys' clock rolling. Starting off, not as we usually do, with SpaceX and Starlink. Starting off this segment, SpaceX shared a picture of Starship version 3, noting it was slated for a test flight that day. Speaking of which, we'll get to that in a second. Elon also reposted commentary about the historical significance of the flight and the energy required to defeat gravity. Also, Elon reposted a throwback video of a SpaceX employee meeting him and expressing optimism about the Starship program. And last but not least, Elon reposted information regarding a collaboration with the Jago Foundation to provide high-speed internet to 30,000 students, across 167 classrooms in remote districts of Bangladesh. Very cool. Moving on to Tesla here. Starting off this segment, Elon reposted a detailed account from a customer comparing the streamlined Tesla buying process, which took about an hour of active time, to the often miserable multi-hour experience at traditional car dealerships. Also, last but not least, Elon emphasized Tesla's official message that ordering takes only 2 minutes on their website. Moving on to artificial intelligence and Grok, specifically talking about XAI. Starting off this segment, Elon engaged with technical discussions about SpaceX's AI-1 satellites, which are designed to function as orbital data centers. Also, these satellites are reportedly feature high-powered specs to handle NVIDIA GPU racks for AI inference in space. It's going to be interesting how cooling works and stuff like that in space. That's going to be kind of expensive to do, but moving on, Elon also announced and reposted news that Grok build is now fully open source. This includes a privacy-first approach where data retention is off by default and the harness is local first. Also, Elon reiterated that using Grok to create illegal content has serious consequences, reposting news of a user arrested on felony charges for using the AI to create illegal deepfakes. Wow, that's pretty crazy. And also, Elon reposted praise for Grok 4.5's speed and capabilities, noting its availability in the EU as well. And to wrap up this segment, Elon commented on a video of NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang describing the company's near-death early experiences, remarking that's how making a startup succeed goes. So that's kind of like the process of it. To wrap it up with political discourse, to wrap up the episode here, last but not least, Elon sparked controversy by describing Marine Le Pen as France's last hope and questioning if any major party in France was not socialist, which we also talked about last episode. Elon also dismissed accusations that his comments constituted foreign interference, suggesting instead that his critics were afraid of losing control over the narrative. Ladies and gentlemen, like I said this morning, that's episode number 212 of the CheckX series. If you made it all to the end, I appreciate you for watching. Remember to make a like, commenting, and subscribing if you haven't already. I also recommend going back and watching some of the other recent CheckX episodes, just to get a nice little sequence of events going for you based on what Elon says every single day. Because at the end of the day, this is CheckX series. I'm your host, and I'll see you later.